Are you on hunt on the best vlogging alternatives from the Osmo Pocket 3? We know that Osmo Pocket 3 now it's all out of stock everywhere. So in today's vlog guys, instead of waiting for a back order or waiting for your order of the Osmo Pocket 3, I rather recommend this device for you to start your vlogging or content in 2024. And guys, again, if you are still searching for the Osmo Pocket 3 and frustrated waiting and looking for the Osmo Pocket 3 everywhere, why not try this other device that you can use so at least you can continue your vlogging and your content for the meantime. So, but if you like to wait the Osmo Pocket 3, then go ahead, guys. But again, this device that I'm gonna show you is a perfect alternative for your Osmo Pocket 3 while you're waiting for the Osmo Pocket 3. So again guys, what kind of the device is one? So guys, this device can do same as the Osmo Pocket 3. So this device can also shoot horizontal and vertical. You can also use the active track on this device, and also you can use anywhere. So it's also foldable and pocket size, not just totally pocket that same as a pocket, but you can manage the size. Fourth one, you can also use the DJI Mic 2. And for the last one is times 5 times more cheaper than the Osmo Pocket 3. So in today's vlog guys, I'm talking about the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Yan guys. Again, as what I mentioned before, this Osmo Mobile 6, you can use vertical and horizontal for video. You can have the active track, so you can draw a square line and you can track your subject or even if yourself guys. Same DJI Mimo application that you're gonna use, and you can use anywhere. Just fold and done. So any mobile can do. And you can also use the DJI Mic 2. So DJI Mic 2, it will compatible with your mobile, especially for iPhone. It's very used and very compatible and can use in Osmo DJI Osmo Mobile 6. And for the last one, this is 5 times more cheaper than the Osmo Pocket 3. So again, guys, if you have iPhone 14, iPhone 13, 12, you have a good video already or video camera. So why not, guys? Instead of waiting of the Osmo Pocket 3, then use the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Same function, but more cheaper, 5 times more cheaper than the Osmo Pocket 3. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Osmo Mobile 6 or any DJI product that we have here in AB World, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Yon, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.